Well, we've got some snow falling here now in Derbyshire after a pretty soggy morning. We've had a weather front straddled across us for the past 24 hours. It did bring in some really heavy rain this morning and some flooding actually. But now for some of us at least, we are starting to see some snow falling. And in fact, the Met Office have a yellow weather warning in force across the entire East Midlands. We could be seeing up to around 10 centimetres by the end of the afternoon across the higher ground of the Peak District. But just about anywhere, even to lower levels, we could be seeing a covering as well. Let's put a bit of detail on it then, because we're going to continue with this complex mix of rain, sleet and snow for the rest of the afternoon. It does look as though we're going to see an undercut of cold air coming in from the east later on, so there's the increasing chance of that rain turning to snow as the afternoon wears on. As I say, anywhere could be seeing a covering. A cold day, as you can imagine, just 3 or 4 degrees our maximum temperature. Now that weather front will finally fizzle out into the evening and eventually it's going to die out in situ, so it become dry overnight, but with a lot of moisture around, light winds and those temperatures dropping away, there's going to be some mist and fog forming later and also some ice forming as the temperatures dip below freezing. So pretty grey and cold to start Friday then, and to be honest, not a lot of change throughout the day tomorrow. That mist and fog will linger for a time and it may just lift up into low clouds. So we're staying fairly grey, perhaps a little bit of brightness later if you're lucky. But it is a really cold day tomorrow, temperatures barely above freezing, and then we're going to see more wet and windy weather through Saturday. The chance of that turning to snow briefly for a time on Saturday morning as well. But after that, things should warm up into next week. Highs of 9 degrees by Tuesday.
Yes, very cold out there.